Fresh cybersecurity concerns have emerged after files linked to the Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant, India's largest nuclear power facility, were reportedly exposed in a suspected ransomware-related data breach. According to Reuters, nearly 19,000 files allegedly stolen from Anil Ambani-led Reliance Group were published on the dark web by the ransomware group WorldLeaks. The leaked documents, dated between 2016 to mid-2025, reportedly include blueprints of ventilation and cooling systems, supplier details, inspection records, meeting minutes, and insurance documents related to Unit 3 and Unit 4, which are currently under construction. Reuters reviewed the files but could not independently verify their authenticity. The Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited said the breach was limited to a contractor server hosted at a third-party data center and did not affect the plant's core safety systems or reactor operations. NPCIL acting chairman and managing director Rajesh Veeraraghavan said the leaked material was limited to balance of plant systems and did not involve critical nuclear infrastructure. Reliance Group confirmed a partial data breach involving a server hosted by Yota Data Services and said the government of India had been informed. Yota said it detected suspicious activity on May 29th, blocked an attempted ransomware attack, and is assisting with the ongoing investigation. Cybersecurity experts warned that the leaked documents could help adversaries map support systems, identify suppliers, and potentially exploit vulnerabilities. The India Computer Emerging Response Team is investigating the incident. This is not the first cybersecurity concern involving KKNPP. In 2019, the plant was linked to a malware incident, although NPCIL had stated at the time that the reactor systems remained unaffected. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.